guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jocelyn. For those of you that are new, I will be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. For today, we will be opening my Boxy Luxe and my Boxy Premium. Yeah, that's what I got this month for September. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So we have Milk Makeup. It's a lip scrub. Looks like this. We are in the fall winter season now, and already I feel my lips and my skin needing that extra love and moisture. So I'm super excited about this. This retails at $22. Not bad for a lip scrub. Milk is such a good company. I honestly love their products. Everything that I've tried so far, I truly do love. I have a STILA eyeliner, Vivid Sapphire. It looks so pretty. It's like a dark blue, almost black. It looks really nice. STILA eyeliner retails at $22 as well. I really do love eyeliner, but I tend to like liquid eyeliner more. When it's in a pencil like this, I don't know. So I am going to try this. Hopefully it works for me. I do like that it's a blue and not a black. We have this ice roller, so it helps to brighten, it helps to depuff the under eye area. It calms inflammation, redness, breakouts, sunburns, and it retails for $18. Next up we have this Brilliance Face Oil. It's an overnight treatment. It says that it increases moisture levels, increases elasticity. It helps to balance out the skin. Again, perfect for fall and winter. It looks like this, and this is going to retail for $55. So we'll see. Hopefully this one will work for me. I do have really dry skin, so I love face oils, I love moisturizers, I love trying new ones too. So we do have a palette in this box. Look at all those colors. Look at the pigment on that blue. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I can't. This is so beautiful. This palette retails for $46. That sounds about right. It has 20 shades. It has a really nice formula. Save the best for last. I already knew about getting this item because I chose it. So every month for Boxy Premium and for Boxy Base, you get to choose one item. So I chose the Marc Jacobs Dewdrops. I am going to definitely be taking this on my trip just to give me that extra glow when I'm in the sun. This is going to retail at $45. This box totals up to $208, and I paid $35 for this box. If you ask me, I got an amazing deal. Would I have bought this myself? Probably not, but this is going to help me experiment with different colors. What else? The oil. Really excited about that because like I said, I have really dry skin. I completely think that this box was worth my money, you know? We are moving on to bigger. Is it gonna be better? We'll find out. We will find out. Alright, so the first thing I see here is this keratin treatment. It's a deep conditioning mask. I hope I can try this. I don't know because I just got a keratin myself. So I will be asking my stylist. If not, I am going to be gifting this because it just looks like a really good product. That retails at $24. For Boxy Luxe, you get the choice of 2 items, and I chose this. It's a tomato serum. Honestly, this was so interesting to me, which is why I chose it. So that retails at $150. That's actually crazy. For $150, I hope that it really does transform my skin, because that's insane. That's crazy. It's so crazy. So let's move on. I see Fenty. I love Fenty. I love everything Fenty, honestly. I love her. I love her line. I love her music. Everything. Oh. Okay. Alright. Might take that back now. No, just kidding. This is a highlighter. So the highlighter, it's going to be $36. That's not bad. I don't think that's bad. I think that's a good price. It's a lot better than that serum. That serum, I'm still like in shock from that serum. Alright, next up I chose this. Again, Milk Makeup. This is the Matcha Detoxifying Face Mask. I chose this. I can't wait to try this. I will be trying this tonight, actually. Oh my gosh. I love this. I love the packaging. It's a mint matte packaging. It's so beautiful, so luxurious. I love this. This retails at $26. Next up, we have these pure brushes. I believe in like July, they were selling the Luxe brushes, and they came packaged just like this. They're a bit bigger though, and that one came with about the same amount. I believe it was also 15 brushes. This comes with 12. These are a bit smaller than that, but I'm really excited to try these. You can never have too much brushes, in my opinion. The more the better, you know? I do love the packaging of this, and I love that this is easy to travel with. You know, you just pop up the brushes in here, you put them in your, you can either put them in a purse, you can put them to travel to go away. This is perfect. This retails at $49. Not bad for 12 brushes, and for the case, I think that's a fair price. Next up, we do have another palette by HIPDOT. It's called Zion. It looks like this. I love this. It's so nice. Wow. This month has been really fun. All the things. This palette is going to retail at $30. We have this dark nude lip gloss, which looks really nice. Perfect for the fall season. It has a bit of shimmer in it, and this is going to retail at $16. We have this 111 Skin Rose Gold face masks. I really hope these work for $135, because that would mean each mask is $27. That's expensive. I paid $50 for this box, and it retails at $466, which is it's a pretty amazing deal. Would I have bought everything myself? Absolutely not. Would I have bought this for $135 for this? I probably would have not bought this myself. Would I have bought these? Also, no. I would have definitely bought these brushes. I actually saw them online, and they had them on pop-up, but I decided to wait, and you know, good things come to those that wait, and here we are. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Make sure that you hit that notification bell, and that way you will, you know, be updated when I do post. You'll want to get on a schedule where I will be posting like one day every week, just to give myself time to prepare and just give myself time to edit. And you know, I am pretty new at this, but I do want to be very consistent for you guys. Thank you so much for watching.